years, until doctors made a shocking discovery that will leave you amazed. Part 2. Now where were we? Oh yes, Dr. Joy Orard, the medical genius, with news that would change Leah's life forever. Nervously sitting on the chair, she waited, her mother beside her, equally anxious. "You know, Leah," he said gently, "what you have in your ears is incredible. A huge earwax blockage in both ears." She was shocked. So many years of suffering for a blockage, but that's not all. There is a solution, but it's not without risks, he continued. A delicate operation was necessary. Leah, with her usual bravery, decides to go for it, despite the risks. A few hours later, Leah wakes up in the recovery room, her ears still numb. And then, the miracle happens. For the first time in years, just a soft and peaceful silence. Leah and her mother embrace, tears of joy streaming down their faces. Life is full of surprises, isn't it? Isn't